enough for me. Never meant to be a winner, never meant to be a quitter, but this is how I lose satisfaction. Chip thrills, chip tricks. Woo! It seems like the way to live.
Hello, Gorilla fam. I'm Chef Perry, the vegan gorilla. Today I'm going to make a little fresh tahini. Got my pot heating up here. That's hot. That's hot. And I figure since tahini, actually, I don't know if anyone knows, I use it quite a bit. It's good for different sauces and different things. You can make it and use it in baking. And it's just ground sesame seeds, a little bit of oil. You can do it without the oil, but it's only a couple tablespoons to get things moving. So I'm going to make some fresh ones, but the seeds at the bulk store. So it'll be a little bit cheaper than making the other stuff. I've noticed in the last, probably since the pandemic, the last couple of years anyways, the price has gone up almost like 40%, 30-40%, which is crazy. So anyways, let's get started. So I got about 3 cups of sesame seeds. I got my cast iron pan in them. And all we're going to do is just lightly toast it. Lightly toast it. And you'll know when it's lightly toasted because you get that nice fresh aroma from it. And it just smells nice. And it's slightly brown, but don't overdo it. Don't over toast it because it'll just make your tahini a little bit more bitter. So you don't want that. Just enough to toast it a little bit. And get this going. So I just keep moving it around a little bit. That doesn't burn or anything like that. I don't want to burn seeds because it's rancid. You don't want that. So I'm starting to smell it already actually. Wow. And then it's real easy. It's just a couple of ingredients. I'm going to zip this together and then get this all toasted up. And then we'll go to the next stage. Okay? So here, I'll show you the toasted product. We're here right now, but we're getting there. See, it's starting to brown up a little bit there, so nice little specks. Like I say, you don't want to overdone it, do it, but I really smell the fragrance up coming out of it now. It's nice. Just keep mixing it. Probably takes a few minutes. So as you can see, this is browned up quite a bit and nice and toasted now. So I'm going to cut this off, and we're going to let it cool to room temperature before we blend it up. Okay. Back in a minute. Hello gorillas, I'm back. We have our toasted sesame seeds. I'm going to put them in the Vitamix and get these going. Don't waste any of that goodness in there. Alright. Where is it? Oh, you can really smell the aroma on this, a really nice fragrance to it. Okay, so let's get that going in there. You'll find a bunch of seeds everywhere all over the house eventually, don't worry. Yeah, it is. And then, what we're going to do is just going to grind it up. It takes about a minute or so in the Vitamix. And use a little plumber to pummel it down. And then once we get it to serve like a paste, then I'll add some olive oil in that. So let's go, cover your ears. All right. As you can see, it's just kind of like a little paste. What we're going to do now is we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of added oil. There. It's going to help make it nice and creamy. Do about maybe 3 tablespoons. 1 per cup, since I got the 3 cups in there. chincha. Himalayan salt for 2. Let's go. Cover those ears. Alright folks, here she be. Look at that. Nice, creamy tahini. Look at that. Preservatives, just straight sesame seed, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of olive oil. Look at that. Great for all kinds of dressings and stuff. And for baking, so you get this scraped out. And remember, it's on its own. Tahini is a little bitter, so I usually mix with lemon juice and water and stuff like that. But I can tell this is great at the store bought. So much nicer. It's hot because I didn't let, I guess, all the seeds. Wow, all the seeds didn't cool down enough. So you gotta really let that bag a little bit longer so you see some steam. But man, I'm gonna give that a 5 out of 5. The toasting came out just right. It's slight bitter, but not too much, and it's supposed to be anyways. But I'm glad I didn't get too much on there. So I used 3 cups of sesame seeds, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and a pinch of Himalayan salt. Look at that, folks. Get nice creamy tahini, and you can use this for a lot of different recipes. So I'm gonna add a little love in there first. And let's stir it. Let that love marinate a little bit. That's what we get. That's what the world needs, more marinating love. Anyways, I'll see you again, or when I do see you again, and stay much love. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next one. Good time.